everyone, welcome back to Coding Mirchi, your favorite place for jobs, internships, career trips, and everything in between. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the two super important things. Whenever you go for a job application, you find this thing, the resume. How to make a job winning resume and how to check your ATS score. I'm going to tell you everything about it. First things first, what platform do you use to make your resume? Canva, Google Docs, or Word? Which platform? All fine. But if you ask me, as an expert or as a mentor, I highly recommend using Overleaf. This is not a paid promotion, but when you go to the Google and search Overleaf, you find this first website, Overleaf Online LaTeX Editor. It's based on LaTeX, which means your resume looks super professional. And yes, it also supports normal text editing for beginners. It teaches you clean formatting and you can export your resume in a print ready format. Now moving further, I have opened this website. What you have to do, just type in the search bar this Jake's resume. I will also provide the link in the description below. This is the best format available on the internet for right now because this format usually helps you to score more in the ATS. When you open this template, a normal simple two forms are there. One is the code editor, second is the visual editor. If you know the latex thing, you can simply code in latex. You see here, resume starts here. After this, whatever comes is your thing you have to edit and recompile, and the thing whatever you have edited will be visible on this page. So let's see. For example, I will write this name and change this name to Coding Mirchi user. Now recompile this and you will see Coding Mirchi user will be available here, right? This way you have to go line by line and see what are the things here mentioned and what are the things here mentioned. Compare both the files, both the texts, and update according to your expertise, your education level, your projects. If you find that you haven't completed any experience or you are a fresher, you don't have any experience in any field, just remove that column. For example, I have no experience. What I will do is simply remove this column. See, this column I will simply remove and recompile it. Now experience column will be removed. Now you say that, oh sir, if I remove this experience column, then my resume will be nothing. There will be no other thing I can put in my resume. There are two projects, but what you can play with this, you can now add some columns like achievements plus non-technical achievements, certification. These are the some columns you can add in this format. For your preference, I'm also attaching a link of my personal resume in the description so that you have an idea how this resume thing works. Right now, what I'm doing is simply putting these two resumes, one of mine and one of Jake's resume, compare two resumes and know what you have to edit in your resume. Now comes the exciting part. We have added a brand new feature on the Coding Mirchi website. Let's go there and see what's the feature. Just in the jobs bar, this job section, when you see a drop down, a resume checker is there. You can simply click this tool. It is totally free and super exciting that this is the premium version that most of the ATS resume checker provide. We are providing it all free. The codes and the keywords are usually preferred as the premium for the other channels or other websites. So go and enjoy this free feature. What you have to do is simply upload your resume. For example, I have a resume named Akash Kantres and I will open this resume. This is uploaded. Now I will click this analyze a resume. After clicking this analyze a resume, what will happen? This ATS scorer runs a ML program and analyze this resume on the basis of keywords, on the basis of soft skills, and whatever the basic things are there regarding all tech jobs. After hitting this analyze button, you will see my resume is up to 59%. Now, what you have to update and what are the technical thing or whatever the soft skills you have to add are updated in this format is code breakdown. Now in the technical thing, you see this green 87%. It means you are up to go. nothing to worry. But in the soft skills, I haven't added any soft skills, which is a negative part. I have to add some more soft skills to make my resume to stand by other resumes. Now, the third is the action. Now, action keywords are something like developed, implemented, designed, created. These keywords play a vital role when ATS scores are mentioned or by any companies. So you have to work over these words. So now format is also good, 80%. Now these are the technical match words which this ML program is founded in our ATS score, right? So this is how each and every response according to my experience, education, projects, skills, whatever I have added, it will be appeared. Now what a new point is there? What is the premium feature? You can simply analyze for a specific job. When I click here, you can see front-end developer. In this, I have added only 5 right now, but as you put many roles, I can like assure you our team will add more roles in this section. For right now, if I go with the front-end developer and like with the same resume only, I am analyzing the resume. You will see it is 52% up to mark, and the role for this role it is 25%. We have to work hard for the resume, right? Now we'll change this thing to machine learning engineer, right? Now I will analyze the resume. Now this thing changes to 83%. Why? I have added some machine learning projects in the resume. So this way, this resume acts as a base and the ATS score acts as a thing which will stand your resume in the company and help you to win the job. Now you can simply download this report and the report will be downloaded in this note thing, right? So this way the report will be downloaded and you can refer what you have to add and what you have to not add. Now that our quick guide comes to end, making a clean standout resume using Overleaf and checking your ATS score for free on the Coding Mirchi website in the job section. You can find this resume checker and it is absolutely free. You can compare this feature with the other website and you can find that this premium feature is absolutely free and 100% secure on our website. If you found this helpful, give us a like, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more tools and tips every week. All the useful links including Overleaf and the resume checker are in the video description. This is Akash signing off. Keep building, keep applying and keep coding with Coding Mirchi.